Welcome back to our channel. So guys, today we are going to create this sheet metal design in Solidworks. So let's see how we do this in Solidworks. So it is good example for the beginners, and in this video I will tell you so many commands like edge flange, extruded cut, and we create the bend radius for sheet metal parameter. So look how we do this in Solidworks. So here look, now here we create this design. So here we go to the menu bar and select the part file. Now okay, now here we enter the SolidWorks interface and change the background to simply plain white, make it, and here it's select top plane, right click, sketch normal, and here we create the rectangle, center rectangle, and go to the smart dimension and select, here click on smart dimension, and now select this line and make it 163 mm. Okay, now here we change the width of this rectangle, so make it 95 mm. Okay, now here we go to the sheet metal parameter. Now select base flange, and here we make the thickness of 1.5 mm, and here we keep the K factor 0.5 and auto relief 0.5 mm. Okay, now here go to the edge flange and select this corner and make downside, so select and make it downward, and here we make the flange length 40 mm, so make it 40 and select other, and here we can change the dimension, so make it 40 mm, and here we keep the material inside. So first we do this and make it 40 mm, and make the material inside. Okay, edge flange of this sheet metal. So again go to the edge flange. Now we change the parameters and of sheet metal and make the gap 1 mm, so change it into this gap, edge gap will be 1 mm. Okay, now here we create this one, again go to the edge flange and select this corner, uh, bottom corner, and make outside flange, so select this one and make it reverse direction. And now again select this edge and make the edge flange once more, select this one. Okay, and make this length 20 mm, not 40, we make this one 20 mm length, and make the bend radius 2 mm, 2 radius, so basically thickness of 1.5 mm of any sheet metal, we are generally use bend radius 1.5 or 2 mm, 2 radius, so it is good parameters to apply bend radius. And here we create the edge fillet 5 mm radius, so select separately and make this fillet, edge fillet, Okay. Now again do one thing, we can make the mirror of this edge fillet. So select mirror and select this plane, so we can select right plane and select this fillet 1 and fillet 2, so we can mirror this fillet. Now okay, here we create the mirror. Now again we select this face, right click, sketch normal, and here we create the sketch for cutout slot, center slot cutout. So here go to the center point slot. Now select and first we create center line. So make it horizontal and vertical, create 2 lines. Okay, make sure it is vertical and horizontal to this center point. Now exit this sketch. And here we create the center point slot, rectangular slot. So here we create this one. Now here we create this one and make it dimension. So go to the smart dimension and select this slot of this rectangular slot, center point slot. So make it 10 mm gap and make this length. So select, here we create 2 points, so select this point and create 2 point here. Now again go to the smart dimension and select both points. So select both points and make this length 25 mm. Okay, now again go to the smart dimension and select, here we create center line to make sure it is horizontal to this axis center point. Go to the smart dimension, select this point and this edge of this sheet metal and make the gap 8 mm. Okay, now again we go to the smart dimension so it's better to make this gap to 7 mm, so it's not looks better. So here we can change and make it this gap 8 mm, so it looks better. for cutout. Again here we create this mirror of this rectangular slot cutout. So select this entities and make the mirror. So select this one, select this slot and mirror. So here we select this vertical center line, so it's mirror this side, opposite side. Okay, now again go to the mirror. Now select this center center line slot and mirror to this horizontal line, so it comes down. Now here it's time to extrude cut this sketch. So go to the features. Now select extruded cut and here cut we through all. So make this cutout. Here we can change it through all both, and so better to select through all both. Okay. Now here we cut this portion for this rectangular center point slot. It is generally used for fixation of this sheet metal design. So again select this face, right click sketch and make it normal. So here we can make this one normal, and here again we create the center point of this slot for cutout, straight slot, center point straight slot. So here we select this one and now create this face. Okay, so here we create this slot and make this gap of this center point slot to 3.5 mm, and now okay. Now again go to the smart dimension. So here it's better to create center point of this outer edges of this center point slot. So make this distance 30 mm. So make this length 30 mm. So we create two point. Select this point and select 2 points and create outside of this straight slot. So select this one and this one. Now go to the smart dimension and select this first and second point and make the distance 30 mm. So make it 30 mm. Okay. Now here we again go to the smart dimension and select this center point and this center of this straight slot and make the gap 25 mm upside. So make it 25 mm. Okay. Now again go to the smart dimension and this select outer this center point and edge and make the distance 10 mm. So make the gap 10 mm, only 10 mm. Make it okay. Now here is time to create linear pattern of this straight slot cutout. So here we create this one. So go to the linear pattern and here it will ask direction. So simply select this x-axis. So it's make the pattern in same direction. Here we can make the gap of this straight slot cutout. So here we keep 5 mm. So it becomes much closer to this cutout. So first we check this one. So how many we cut out give in this sheet metal design. So here we make the spaces of this straight slot 6 mm and here we can make the intensity 25 number, so it looks better. And here we create one center line, make sure it is horizontal. And here do one thing, we make the mirror of this straight slot cutout. So select this one and make the mirror. Mirror to this side. Now okay. Here it's time to extrude, so select the extrude cut. And here we can select the link to thickness. Usually we can give the dimension. It depends on you how you do this. So here we create this straight slot cutout. Now look how we create this one. It looks much better. Now here we create the circular cutout on this top face. So select this face, right click sketch and make it normal. And here we create circular sketch on this face. So go to the circle. Now here we create 3 circle and make the diameter 12 mm. So select this. Here we create 3 circle. So create separately 3 circle and make sure it is horizontal to this center point axis. here we select three circle and make it equal. So it's first time to do this. We can select and make all this circle to same measurement or same length, and make this gap 60 mm between both circles. And again we select this center point and this center of this circle and make it also 60 mm. Here it's time to extrude cut. So go to the extrude cut and make the extrude cut up to 10 mm or link to thickness. It's depend on you. So look how we cut out this circular sketch. And here we do one thing, we make this unfold this sketch for creating the cutout, rectangular cutout on this sketch. So select, and here we select sketch and make it normal. Here select center line and here we create center line. So again go to center rectangular and create center rectangular from this center point, midpoint. Select and create here. Now go to the smart dimension, select this line and make it 65 mm. Again go to the smart dimension, select this line and make it 9 mm. Sorry, not we can put 10 mm. So here do one thing, we can make the mirror to this rectangular cutout to opposite direction. So here we create horizontal center line and go to the mirror. Now select this rectangular slot and make the mirror to this center point. So look how we make the mirror. And here we go to the sheet metal, select extruded cut and make the extruded cut of this sketch. Okay. Now here is time to make the bend. So go to the bend, select fixed face and collect all bend so it comes to original position. So here do one thing, we create the edge flange to this side. So again go to the edge flange and select this edge and make inside below side and make this distance 40 mm. So the length will be the length of this edge will be 40 mm and make the bend radius 2 mm. So it is sufficient for this bending purpose. So we can use 2 mm or 1.5 mm. Here we create material bend material inside and do one thing, trim bend side. So it will trim this bend side portion. So look how we do this. So here we make the edit of edge flange. So go to the and make it edit feature and here we select opposite direction edge flange. Okay. So look how we create this edge flange opposite side also. So here we create sheet metal design parameter. So it is a good example for the beginners. So look how we do this. And here if for the machine cutting, we can give this design file to dxf file. So machine only runs the dxf file for cutting purpose, and after we give a dxf file, so the design will created and cutting, and after all we make the bend to create this sheet metal features. So I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.